If your child is refusing to eat and always being picky, try making food like this. With this simple trick, you can turn an ordinary meal into something fun and exciting that kids will actually want to eat. It looks like a lollipop, and children absolutely love it. They enjoy it so much that they don't even realize they're eating something homemade and nutritious. Give this method a try with your kids. They'll love it. If you enjoyed this idea, please don't forget to leave a like. It really supports our effort and helps us bring more creative recipes to you.
뭐 잠깐 그대로 가야 할 거지.